name is Melissa Sundt, and I'm here from TES Therapy. There I work as a Board Certified Behavior Analyst, or you might hear BCBA, and what I do is work with kids on the spectrum and with other developmental disabilities, and I help them gain skills and help to decrease their problem behavior. And here I am at Toyology in Royal Oak, and I'm here to play with some awesome toys. So these are some of the first toys that I picked out. These range in ages 2 to 4. The first toy I have is the Dimple Duo, which is out of the box, so you can play with it. It's really great for kids, especially as they're first learning their colors and shapes. And you can do a lot with this when you're teaching your children all the different things. You can teach them shapes with this. There's a circle, a triangle, a square. You can also teach them colors. You can even say, look, press in the red circle, and they can press it in. Just teaching them all of those different types of early learning skills. And it's great to interact with them because it is interactive and they can touch it and feel it. And it's a lot nicer than just looking at pictures. The next toy I have, well, really a book, Gallop. What I really like about this book is, like I said before, it is more interactive, and when you are teaching new skills to your children, it's great because they have buy-in, they like to watch it, and it's fun for the parents too. The animals actually move in this book. It's great. So can you gallop like a horse? And you can move it and you can actually see the horse gallop. So you can teach them all those movements. So it's a great way to interact with your child and have it be fun. And the last toy I grabbed is this letter and number board. And what's really cool about this is it actually has a chalkboard as well. So they're magnetic, you can put it on the board and you could write next to them. So if they choose the A, you can make it really interactive and maybe draw an apple next to it. A goes with apple. The next batch of toys I picked out are great for kids going into preschool and kindergarten. So I would say probably ages around 4 to 6. This one right here is a mix or match animal set, and what I really like about this is it does help children be able to match together and find sameness, which is a great skill in kindergarten. They can also be creative and put them on the different animal bodies like you see here. So they have a crocodile, a giraffe, an elephant, and a tiger, and you can really play with your children this way and say, hey, find all of the elephant pieces, put together an elephant, or find the tiger head and put it on the crocodile body. So that's another way to help your child follow directions at a young age as well, and it's just really fun for them. Another toy I picked out here is this jet duck, and what I really like about this is it can make bath time fun, and it also really promotes a lot of creativity with your child. So you can create a mermaid in this one. I thought it was really nice, but you can put the beak on, you can put all the accessories on it, and it's great to really bond with your child in that way. And you can even play with this with younger kids as well. And finally, this is amazing. So this is the Food Fun Combine and Dine Dinners. And what I really like about this is around this time, I feel like children are a little bit more interested in helping out in the kitchen, seeing mom cook, seeing dad cook, and you can play with all of this food and really, again, a great one for following directions. So find the green beans, hand me the carrots, can you put all the vegetables together, working on categories, function, feature, class, can you find the object that has gravy on it, like the mashed potatoes, and you can play with this in a lot of different ways. So just by doing that, as well as pretending to eat, promoting that pretend play, and of course you can mix and match it with other food not in this set as well. Next up, I have this magnetic matching picture game. This is great for kids that are in elementary school or about to go into elementary school. It does have small pieces, so just as a heads up there. But what I really like about this is it comes with so many different scenes. It comes with 120 magnets, which is great because you can create so many different scenes with them. And it also comes with tons of different background picture cards. They have scenes such as a school bus, a park, a pool, a play area, and with all the different magnets, you can really create your own scene. This is great for being able to have your child really create a scene that makes sense. So put all the ducks in the pond, in the water, or put all the balls in the play area versus, somewhere else that doesn't make sense. So you can really have your child be creative with this and understand what goes with what. And you can play with them and create different scenes and add on to their scenes. And that's a great way to cooperatively play with them and have other people play with them as well. I have this Play Again sticker scene book, which is pretty similar to kind of what I showed you, but with this, it's stickers and they have a lot of different scenes. So what I'm holding right now is a mermaid scene. With these, what you do is it comes with different scene cards and it comes with over 60 stickers in each pack. You can mix and match them. Like if you wanted to do the mermaids and the princesses, you can. You can just buy a couple of these. But it's mess-free imaginative play. You just put the stickers on the scene and then you can just buy a new pack when those are all up. You can also play again and again. What's really nice about these stickers is you can take them off and put them on and reposition them. It's not going to stick forever right away. So it's great that you can reuse this a couple times. And like I said, always buy more if you want a different scene. And finally, I have this game called Telestrations. It says it's for ages 4 to 8, but really it's great for those kids that are going to be entering middle school soon. So you draw what you see and then you guess what you see. So this is a really nice skill to have, to be able to see something drawn or see something written and be able to kind of think, see it in your mind's eye and understand what it actually is. So this is a great game. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun at Toyology playing with all of these toys. Be sure to check them out. And when you are playing with your children with the toys, if you encounter any challenging behaviors or see that some of the skills are lacking, please feel free to give us a call at TES Therapy.